So today we learned about the formula for volume, and we learned that the formula is the length times the width times the height. And a lot of times when you see the formula for volume or even for area, you'll see it in this fancy cursive writing. So I'm going to use my fancy cursive writing too. Okay, so which expressions can be used to find the volume of this rectangular prism? Circle all that apply. So I'm guessing that it's probably going to be more than one. So let's look at the length. The length is how many across. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 6. The width is how many backwards, how many deep. And that is 1. And the height is how many up and down. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if any of these are 6 times 1 times 6, that is going to be your answer. It looks like this one will definitely work. Is there another one that could work? 6 plus 4? We never learned about 6 plus 4. There are no 4s. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. That's 6 times. Is that the same as 6 times 1 times 6? Yes, it is. There's our other answer. Okay, let's go to the next problem. All right. A box measures 6 centimeters long, 2 centimeters wide, and 4 centimeters high. Which expression will help you find the volume of the box? So again, we know that it's length times width times height. Okay, so that's going to be the length is 6 times the width, 2 times the height, 4. So which of these expressions uses the times, the multiplication symbol twice, and uses 6, 2, and 4. 2, 4, and 6. 6, 2, and 4, yes. And both have a multiplication sign. We don't even need to go further because that's the answer. Okay. Camilla made the following, or the figure below, using cubes. What is the volume of Camilla's figure? So again, we're going to multiply the length times the width times the height. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times 3 is 30. So the volume of the figure is 30 cubic inches. Okay. What is the volume of the rectangular prism below? Now, the length is 1, the width is 6, and the height is 1. 1 times 6 times 1 is 6. So it's 6 cubic inches? No, we weren't talking about inches here. Square inches? No, because we're talking about three-dimensional shapes. It's a cubic inch. 8 square inches? No, because you have to multiply. 8 cubic inches? No, because you have to multiply. It looks like we made an error. The correct answer would be 6 cubic feet, which none of these have, and I apologize. So everyone will be getting this one correct. I think that probably this should have said cubic feet or square feet. I'm not quite sure. If you look at the next question, it says, Nam chose D as the correct answer. How did he get that answer? And I would guess that Nam added 6 plus 1 plus 1, and then didn't look that the measurements were in feet. Instead, they did it with inches. And the last question is, what is the volume of this rectangular prism? And it doesn't give us the dimensions, so we have to count the cubes. Okay, so the length is 1, 2, 3, 4. The width is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the height is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 times 5 is 20. You take 20 times 5 is 2 times 5 is 10. Add another 0, 100. You can even count on your fingers by 20s. It's easier than it sounds. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So the volume of the rectangular prism is 100. It doesn't say if those are inch cubes, centimeter cubes, or feet cubes. So just 100 is a fine answer.